Assalamu alaikum. So this Bioethics Pedagogy Workshop is basically designed for people in healthcare, teachers in healthcare professional institutes who want to teach bioethics. Now, most of us are from science background, and bioethics is not pure science, it's social sciences. Therefore, teaching bioethics is sometimes a bit different from teaching hardcore sciences like anatomy, physiology, surgery, medicine, and other subjects in healthcare institutes. In this workshop, what we are hoping to do is have, number one, a lot of fun with you, with all the participants, plus to understand how we can teach bioethics in a way that it impacts our learners, our students positively, and make them better healthcare providers. I'm sure you're all looking forward to it. We are looking forward to it. It's going to be a very interactive, engaging experience for all of us, and we hope that we'll all be learning with each other in this workshop. Thank you very much. Looking forward to seeing you.